Stainless steel scuttle, and you do get two what do you call dry rot resistant, environment friendly corks to keep the water inside. This is pretty much identical to the SAVANNA Scuttle, but it is lighter, and this is more travel friendly. If you will, I believe that it'll hold 10 ounces of water inside, which is the same as the SAVANNA. And you do have the horizontal and vertical bars to help with your lather. The handle is fairly large. You can hold it like a coffee mug, or you can hold it underneath and just use this as a thumb rest. And it's easy to work with. It whips up a beautiful lather. The walls are nice and high, so the lather doesn't fall over. It's very nice. Here we are. Those ridges are taking effect. The soap is not sliding around in the bottom. And it's not spilling over the edges or anything. I mean, there's plenty of room to work the brush.